Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Take?
Chairman General.
Yes, sir.
His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. I see Koto Oti region. Na out of ni tour no, we visit ni Tescom members a moye omuhie mu Volta region. Na okoye no message odija Ghana for any kasa ya eba ye no.
Say you better
not say as a president. Say or refer to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama as a poor, desperate loser. Did I not say?
Did he refer to him as that?
Yes. Yes.
Son or refer to?
Chairman General, play the tape. What tape, you know? Maybe I mean fan spin man could be. Me regional minister Nkwane come fan spin. Nti brofo no manti. Play the tape. Nan kofo ntie in some kind, you know. But as a political, don't read. Play the tape. Nikasano.
I'll find it and play it if I have to.
And it has been played all over. Baye Dauma Penyasi. Sene or describe His Excellency John Dramani Mahama as a poor, desperate loser. Yadana say. But Chairman General.
Yes.
Dear Nekofa same way Edibai. Naminyano can the speaker His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Erendaye at the time MPP opposition omoye ayechre concerning the voters register. Maminkai me Central Regional Minister Biom say at that time no easy never hid any information from any political party. Easy engaging all the various political parties at the right place at the right time before decisions are taken. The EC was not involved in hiding information from its stakeholders. But Anumpono, as an opposition party, no, you went ahead to demonstrate on the routes, on some of the principal streets of this country. Me boy, no, can be said. You a man for, you prepare a man for. But you did not tell the good people of this country of your unruly behavior at that time as demonstrators. Hold on.
Because I was part of the demonstration.
You don't know what happened.
And I was tear gas.
And then Mamin Kasa, let me talk. You have the opportunity to also become with you. Share all the demonstrations we've held as a political party on this, especially that of Greater Accra. I was part of the process. Later at the Metro, at the Akko police station, roots of Mumbema, I was part of it. To the extent, say, even the routes that we've agreed upon with the police, you do, your friend saying, 37, they decided to change the route. Almost say, baby, I was saying, Omu Mayen for Honumubio. Yanko, the other side of the road, Nemfambra, Jubilee House. But as law-abiding citizens of this country, Chairman General, we accepted the challenge.
You fought with the police.
At where?
You helped them. Maybe I will come.
Oh, Jawasem.
The videos are
Jawasem.
The videos are there.
You see Jawasem. Sir, your friend said, Atrona Moody, Look, we adhere strictly to the decisions of the police. Say at that time, that particular route, ABI, the Obi Yari ambulance there, but it was so Onyakwai. And we had to change our route. We went through the long route to the Jubilee House. That is, citizens are law abiding. in the midst of a demonstration. There are laws, Minister, there are guidelines. As citizens, you know, say ye bibia, and was say ye dear. But you see, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, his statement no ko ye wo voter region no. Anopay ayami de say Makai no. Say time onu wo opposition no. He made worse statements. But what is even refreshing about statement His Excellency John Dramani Mahama president Adinanu Akosi at Ibone Sono. Ghana menyan obi acting ukra na obi abisa say na president dey not here. You have an issue where young leader and flag bearer of the NDC mpanyinfo yenua fisher folks oma baninchen ene ni bonkomo ekwan so a obefa as omampanyin say ye tumi mana obeboa yenua no mu afarefo ewo memu. And the issues of your election matters are cost, you know, the two dra. And I say, look, over the years, you know, the Electoral Commission, you know, adia baku ama Ghana, ye democracy akon kind, and the fact is say, Electoral Commission wo honu no, stakeholders are omoboa my democracy akon kind no, onu omu nyina etenasi, esususu nyama ho, etutututu adwen. Answer say ombe take a decision omu take a decision. Now say Electoral Commission yenya ewo an your friend say Jemensa ene ya papa Asari Bosman omo pencil Electoral Commission yenya no omo ye omo adwen say opposition no any other opposition parties no omo fa ya asem enyo omo asem. Now, in a democracy, you are practicing over the years. This is the type of democracy you are practicing. It will be standing the test of time. That's the 4th Republican Constitution. Now, Argentina, sa democracy no, it will be a general honor. Because, omo obudi yeni ba ene hu say, ye yisi no. As political parties, trans in ye judging send ye was say ye shisha elections in Yamahuno, ampa. Since 1992, changes are yenya ya batwomu ishisha munyano. It's as a result of political parties omuni isi etran kunyahu esusu sene was say ye nyama say at the end of the day no menewo yenyina yakuma ejuyen say nia ekoso no eda hofen emobia na se ne yenya isia omoye omadwen se omudi nyama ebesiesie other political parties yeti honumu yi omutumi di nyama ma MPP NDC yansa enkai.
Are you suggesting say Electoral Commission enya nkrate bia na bibia omudi koma NPP for nko na yenfa mobia
Chairman General
to achieve what?
Chairman General, you know the truth.
No, I'm asking you to achieve what?
And I don't know. You anything?
BB said no.
Chairman General, that is the reason why we need to question the EC, the motive, because omejuma no omuya no is based on transparency.
And Intina President Mahama Kokasa Assembly.
Hold on. Then they are assembling na President Mahama Ekan.
President Mahama Assembly. Me say Intina Okasa Assembly no.
Exactly.
Say yenko trade no.
Say only other political parties ye adie. Na the information one political party. Na other political party you know who stabbing with information and no transparency. There be definitely the other political party you know any bebre obe say no. Nsisiye bi epese ekoso because Electoral Commission ye nim fiti 1992 no enye sa ena ye omu nhihye. Chairman General, it will interest you say even omu data omu de buy say anka omu ba be registration exercise Unim the first person all this information about Bontin.
Why?
The General Secretary of the MPP. And a week after, no, the Electoral Commission came to affirm that date.
Was it not because of Muka meeting?
No, not at all. Not at all. It has never come to the attention of any political party. Until with all these informations are airbano. Say we a political party a serious untenasi ubetu anamuntu ubetu anamo. Now who leader or responsible as His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I was say who can win them. And I can say look near easy you know at the assembly in 2012
Edin train
biometric you know Omo can say oh yeah registration exercise you know in an election year. Nobody is saying registration exercise cannot take place in an election year.
But that has been some of the arguments you guys have raised.
Yes, Chairman General, Ube Kaya. Before your registration in 2012, no, the EC has piloted the biometric, in 2011.
Anyway,
Niami kanu kasa meboa. Me cultural. So me cultural. It was piloted before Omuroni out in 2012. That is how the Electoral Commission works.
But maybe some Electoral Commission really, Electoral Commission really, Bosman Asari, and Jean Mensah, are the only two additions, right? No, Omama Kenya no more harder. Are we saying says Nipa me anyway can twist an election? Yes.
It take the leadership.
Nature maybe sasa and say okay time wa ora yere shalato say bye.
Yeah.
Na MPP 4 year they say Obabe sesa abatu no mama ora John Mahama. Yeah. Ghana for decided say you beto amananado, ne tuma nanado. Yeah. No matter what Jean Mensah or Bosman Asare or anybody would do. Say Ghana for your margin says say you beto abana. Omo no to be nyere. Ana
any responsible leader, Chairman General.
Nobody can change it.
Chairman General. So you want the NDC to stand aloof?
I didn't say that. I'm saying that.
Exactly.
Just two people now
no, for a democracy succeed, you need the voice of the opposition. You know that. The voice of the opposition, is relevant in any democracy. Without the two, you don't have a democracy. Without the two, the government, the opposition, you don't have a democracy. Until yen as a responsible opposition party, yen share high ma democracy yet to me are protected. Net me know yen enjoy the benefits of multi-party democracy since 1992. No, yen tana honumu ma obi recklessly embema sa. And that is why we need to speak out as a people. That is why the civil society groups are talking about it. That is why religious leaders are also talking about it. And that is the more reason why His Excellency John Dramani Mahama will talk about it. Chairman General,
okay.
The processes leading to it, and only asema yeka.
Okay.
What he has here, you can decide to put Ghanaians through hardships in registration exercise, and yeah, it is a choice for them. It is a choice for the government. It is a choice for the EC. Me no kasai, Central Region Minister he knows what has gone on in the registration of his people in an NIA registration exercise. He knows what they have gone through.
And that anything I was saying to cover.
Is that what we do? You know what has happened in some of the stations? Ayadipa, Chairman General, are these things that we need to condone? We need to talk about it and make sure say the right things are done. If you have a responsible leader who is cautioning the effect of some of your activities are who ye now. The implications now. I was say umom ubona basu say or the issues no to abonte.
Mate.
But His Excellency the President, they say he went for also. Maybe he feels say he's the president of the nation, and so all power belongs to him. That is not so. Power belongs to the people. Omuna determine what needs to be done, how things should be done. It is Sophie say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Akoka say, Nia isi no no, or creating an atmosphere 1 year, because nyama ye kwako ye, there will be no opportunity for a test to be done, as happened previously. There will be no opportunity. Oh, you call or lay issues no, you ask questions because nyamani be ento assume. Inti the leader and flag bearer of the NDC was cautioning the EC. Ewo kwan so a omofa and all three of my dream basu say near mu ye ewo implications. Inti tread cautiously.
Okay.
Now, His Excellency the President, Akojina, who can say, Mahama is a poor, desperate loser. Let us say.
Tata made us say this one.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.